Stereospecific nature of E2 mechanism I wanted to explain. E2 mechanism is an example for stereospecific reaction. During the elimination, beta elimination, a specific stereoisomer is formed from another specific stereoisomer. During the elimination, I will give one best method to get the geometrical isomer. Which geometrical isomer is obtained from which stereoisomer, which optical isomer. Methyl, phenyl, halogen to be removed. This is hydrogen. So you remember E2 elimination is an example for anti-elimination. The species to be eliminated must be in the opposite direction and in the same plane. Anti-periplanar elimination. Anti-elimination. Now when base is added, base abstracts beta hydrogen as H plus, CH bond pair is dropped, CBr bond pair is shifted onto bromine. So this will happen via transition state, but I am not writing transition state. I wanted to explain how to get a stereospecific product from this optical isomer. What type of geometrical isomer we can get during the dehydrobromination or beta elimination. Between alpha and beta carbons, you put the double bond. Whatever the groups present on vertical line, push them onto one side of the CC double bond. Remember, whatever the groups present on vertical line in Fischer projection formula, push them onto one side, and the remaining pH here pH. So this is nothing but cis isomer. Any cis also can be taken as Z. The optical isomer given one is threoisomer. So threoisomer, since two identical groups pH phenyl groups are on the opposite side, this stereoisomer is called threo. Threoisomer anti-elimination gives Z isomer. So if you want, you can remember as it is TAZ also. Otherwise, best method how to get the geometrical isomer. After the elimination, species to be eliminated must be in the opposite direction. After the elimination, you keep the double bond between alpha and beta carbons, and whatever the groups lying on vertical line should go to one side, other groups on other side. Then easily you can recognize the geometrical isomer. So threoisomer by anti-elimination gives Z isomer or cis isomer. This is the best method to get the specific product formed during the beta elimination from optical isomer.